If you have subscribed to Netflix membership plans, you can easily download Netflix videos. But if you haven't subscribed yet and still want to watch Netflix videos offline on any device, MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader is a great tool for you. Let's see how it works. Download and open MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader. Then log in to your Netflix account to access Netflix's content library. Input the name of the movie. Or you can copy the URL link of the movie and paste it into the search bar. When Netflix movies or episodes are found, tick to download movies and shows in batches efficiently. Opt for the high-quality output format with original subtitles and audio tracks. Hit download, and all we need to do is wait a bit, because it speeds up downloads 5 times faster with hardware acceleration. Now you can enjoy your video offline. It's easy to download Netflix videos through MovPilot Downloader. Let's hit the road now.